Namaste. I'm Libby. I'm from the UK and I've just finished my 200-hour yoga teacher training here at Shiva Yoga Peeth in Rishikesh. A little bit about my experience here. When I was looking for a school to come to, I was reading many websites, many reviews of lots of different schools, and I was thinking, how do I choose? How am I supposed to pick? And then I found Shiva Yoga Peeth, and there was something just about the website that made me go, oh, I like the sound of this place. And I emailed the school and said, I'd like to come, but can you tell me why I should come to Shiva Yoga Peeth above somewhere else? And the reply I got was just, if you come, you'll understand why we are the best school. And I was very intrigued, and when I came, almost immediately I knew I'd made the right decision, and that email was true, that yeah, when you come here, right next to the Ganges, it's beautiful every day, waking up, coming on the way to class at 5:30 in the morning, seeing the sunrise over the river, the energy that's here, the other people that are drawn here as well. I've made friends for life here, and the teaching is more than I could have ever expected that I would be able to learn in 1 month, and I never expected I would have so much more to learn in my future, and I'm so excited to continue learning. So thank you to everyone at Shiva Yoga Peeth. Namaste.
Oh, so beautiful.